Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to ln(s). Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of ln(s), you got about 1 over s dx. This one we change by u. dx over s we change by du. And now we have the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du, we have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and we put about c. The integration of this one, we have u to the power of 3 over 3, and then we put about c. About u, that is about ln(s). And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.